Okay, I was told by someone in the comments that this elevator got modernized. Upon further inspection, it was. Oh, nice. Wow, this is a nice mod. This is the new elevator here at Underwater Adventures Classic Galleria downtown Red Rock. And oh my god, I was not expecting that.
Oh. Why is your hair kind of shaped like a triangle?
Stop it. Sounds like we might have a good motor. Red Rock maintains this now. I'm pretty sure it was Abby before. This used to be an Aisha, I believe, or a Layla or something. But it was a slap on. It was horrible. I believe, as far as I heard, this is a new motor. So let's listen to it. This is a nice mod. I can't lie. I'll link what the old elevator used to be. I approve. Nice mod. Alright, that's it.